Alright, got a customer's bumper here. I just primered it today. Came out real nice. Okay, after I primered it, right after I could see there was a few pinholes. So if you see the little high spots here, it's just where I put a little touch-up spot-up primer, high build primer surfacer, and those little pinholes that I missed. A few here that I missed. Yeah, a couple little spots there. That will block right out when you're wet sanding with no problems. A couple over here, a few there. So I just wanted to make sure when you get this and you block it out ready for paint that there's no pinholes whatsoever in it and it's nice and smooth everywhere. So it's all dry already. Shot it a couple hours ago. Nice warm day today. It's like 74 today, so it's already dried up, ready to ship out either tomorrow or the next day.